couple other areas worth watching out in the tropics. Thankfully, two not will affect land at all. One is Hurricane Kirk, which is forecasted to become a major hurricane, thankfully remaining out over open water. And the other, Invest 91, still only an invest, but has a 90% chance of developing. The next name up would be Leslie. And then for a little closer to home, we're watching an area of potential development. Now, this is where we could see something try and form. Try and form may be the key phrase here, as it has a 40% chance of development, but that is down from where we had been standing at 50% all weekend long. And that, one of the reasons is because the models kind of have flipped on which little area that we might see develop. If you remember back to yesterday, there was kind of an X over a cluster of storms down in the southwestern Caribbean. That's one little tropical wave. The Hurricane Center has removed that, and now some of the model guidance is indicating maybe something that is more over the Bay of Campeche. There are clearly two little waves being depicted by the models, but we have seen kind of a shift from the area in the Caribbean to maybe the area in the Bay of Campeche as becoming the more dominant low. Either way, we're going to see kind of this broad low pressure center across much of the Gulf Basin, and really just a big rainmaker the way things stand right now and what has been consistently being depicted by the models. Of course, a lot could change. One thing that we have going in our favor is a cold front is expected to move through Monday and on into Tuesday. That would kind of deflect that tropical moisture, begin moving it away, and hopefully with an upper trough kind of pushing that area of moisture out into the Atlantic. The other factor is this increasing wind shear. We're going to have some very strong wind shear across the basin as that little disturbance moves into the Gulf of Mexico. So in terms of trying to develop into anything, it is going to have a tough time doing it across the central and northern part of the Gulf. So we have a lot of factors in our favor. Now, we have been talking about our increasing rain chances, not really from those waves per se. Likely we're going to get kind of a surge of associated tropical moisture moving away because of an upper low that'll be developing over coastal Texas. That will keep the moisture in place through the end of the week and the start of the weekend. But we're also going to have that cold front move through, which should help to suppress that rainfall as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, much drier. And if anything were to try and develop, hopefully it would kind of move along that frontal boundary away from us. And in terms of our rainfall chances, while they are a little bit on the higher side Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, 50, 60%, we're not talking about a great deal of rain accumulation, which we do not need to see. We've been under mostly clear skies today and mostly clear skies this evening. Had a few fair weather clouds kind of moving in from the north this late evening. Mostly clear out toward downtown right now, and a temperature of 82. Humidity not bad at 69%. We're in the 70s, but I think further cooling is expected during the overnight, and with dew points 60s and lower 70s, I think it'll be a fairly comfortable start to our morning tomorrow. Now, humidity values will remain about the same as they were today for tomorrow, changing up though by Thursday and Friday as that moisture comes in from the Gulf. Then our front moves through, kind of knocking the humidity down as we head toward the beginning of next week. So our rain chances picking up to wrap up the week, but not a deluge and certainly not an all-day rain.
All right, Chris, thank you.